What's good, world? This is JerzyGeneral here, back with yet another unboxing video, man. It's been a while since I've done one. I should have done one earlier this year for the Dornbecker freestyle sneakers that I got, the Air Prestos, but I ended up not really doing that one. But it is what it is, man. Make sure that you guys continue to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I truly appreciate you guys. Once we reach 1,000 subs on this channel, we're going to be doing that 500,000 VC giveaway in NBA 2K. Now, in this box, right here, it's actually my second win of the year on the Nike sneakers app. So in here, we have the Nike Low Dunk, or Dunk Low, Sequoia, and Alabaster. All right, so we're going to open this box up, and we're going to see what's inside. We'll be right back. All right, guys, so we are back. We got ourselves a crisp, pristine, old school Nike box. As you can see right there, Nike Dunk Low Retro SE2. Let's open this up real quick. Let me turn this camera. I know it's probably going to pop up sideways, but oh, yeah, I'll keep it like this. All right. We're going fishing. And that's the theme with this, because you have this one and then you have the Ocean Bliss. I really wanted to get the Ocean Bliss as well, but they sold out of my size. Oh, yeah, these are pretty. These are pretty. I like that. I like these. And I definitely have a fit to rock these with. There you go. Nike Beaverton, established 1972. Beaverton, if I'm not mistaken, that's in the state of Oregon, if I'm not mistaken. The Nike Swoosh got the fish hook right here. Because, you know, the whole theme of it is like going fishing. I like that. This is fire. This is fire. I like this. I like this a lot. Let's see what's on the insole. Give me 1 second. All right. Yep. You guys can see it right here too. That Nike. Get a good focus. There we go. Nike Beaverton, 1972. Matter of fact, let me have a. There we go. You see it. You guys see it. These are fire. These are fire. All right, let me grab the other shoe so you can see it's the same look. Same Nike hook. Same Beaverton. Let me put that flash back on. Same Beaverton. Same Beaverton. Everything is smooth, man. Everything is smooth. Yeah, I can't wait to rock these. These are not going up for resale. I'm definitely rocking these, man. Absolutely. Absolutely. Let me put these side by side. Let me close this box. There we go. There we go. Take that flash off. There we go. And there you have it, man. Low Dunk Sequoia and Alabaster. If you're in the comments, shut the fuck up. Yes, I got big ass feet. I'm a size 13. What you expect? Yeah, I like these. I like these a lot, man. Let me know if any of you guys out there gained the early access to these or the Ocean Bliss or both. And let me know if you guys like these and if you plan on holding on to them, rocking them, or reselling them, man. So yeah, there you have it. The Nike Low Dunk, Sequoia and Alabaster. Appreciate you guys. We're going to go right back to playing the Street Fighter 6 videos if you guys haven't checked those out yet. They're pretty dope, man. I'm going to keep the content going, keep the content flowing, and I'm going to catch y'all in the next one, and I'm out this bitch. Mwah.